Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 34. Which of the following oxides has a giant covalent structure? A. Aluminium oxide, B. Sodium oxide, C. Phosphorus pentoxide, D. Silicon 4 oxide. This is silicon 4 oxide. So a giant covalent structure is what we're looking at. A giant covalent structure. And it's a structure that contains many atoms joined to adjacent atoms. Okay, many atoms, each one joined to adjacent atoms by covalent bonds. So the atoms are arranged in giant regular lattices. So let's look at each of the structures of the options given to us and then see which one can be described as a giant covalent structure. Now the first one, option A, aluminium oxide, has a structure which is described as a hexagonal crystal lattice. So that is the best description for the structure of aluminium oxide. Now for sodium oxide, it has a structure which is best described as an anti-fluoride face centered cube. So it has an anti-fluoride face centered cubic structure. Now option C, which is phosphorus pentoxide P4O10, has a hexagonal lattice structure. And option D, silicon 4 oxide, has a giant tetrahedral structure. And this tetrahedral structure, you have the atoms joined covalently. So as we have rightly expressed, it is option D is a giant tetrahedral structure with covalently bonded atoms. And as we defined for the giant covalent structure, we said it is made up of many atoms joined together by covalent bonds. So from that we can see that option D, which is silicon 4 oxide, is a giant covalent structure, or has a giant covalent structure. So option D, SiO2 silicon 4 oxide, is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.